Welcome back. Today I will solve some problem of exercise 1.4. In previous part you learned some definition formula A union B intersection. So in exercise 1.4, question number first, find the union of each of the following pair of the set element of set 1 3 5, element of y set 1 2 3. So A union B retain all element x and y. So retain 1 2 3 also 5. Common element 1 1 3 3 retain only once times. So x union y. So x union y element of this set. And also question number 2, question number part of 2, a set of element a e I o u and another set b is equal to a b c. So a union b is equal to all element of set a common only one times right in set a and b and c. So e I o u. And also third part a element of set x such that x is a natural number and multiple of 3 and multiple of 3. So element of this set multiple of 3 natural number 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 12 comma dot dot so on. And another set b is equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So you can write set b is equal to less than 6 1 2 3 4 5. So a union b is equal to set of 1 2 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 and also 3 common out and 6 9 12 dot dot. So also you can write one element of set 1 2 4 5 are multiple of 3. And question number 4, fourth part, a x such that x is a natural number, x is natural number and 1 less x less than or equal to 6. So you can write set x natural number less than 1 less than 6. So you can write 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Also set up b x such that x is a natural number and 6 less than x less than 10. So set up b is equal to 6 less than 7, 8, 9. So a union b is equal to set element of set 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Element of set b and element of set a. All element of set a union b. And also you can write a union b is equal to 1 x such that x is natural number and 1 less than x less than 10. Question number 5th, part 5th. Fifth, a set 1, 2, 3 and b set is 5. So a union b is equal to set of b, no element in this set. So a union b is equal to element 1, 2, 3, or a union b is equal to 1, 2, 3. The element of set a is equal to a. So this is answer. And also question number 2, let a element set a, b and another set b is equal to a, b, c. So is a subset of b, and what is a union b? So a union a subset. So solution, set a is equal to element a comma b and set b element a comma b comma c. So all element of set a exists in set of b. So a subset of b. So yes. And also what a union b is equal to, a union b is equal to element of set a, b and union element of set a comma b comma c. So a union b, a b common out in only one times, right, in the set a comma b and also element of set a union b. So this is answer. Question number third. If A and B are two sets such that A subset of B, then what is A union B? So solution: A, let set of A element 1 2 and set of B element such that A 1 2 3 4. So all element of set B, so A subset of B, and also then what value A union B? A union B is equal to set of A element 1 2 and union B element of set 1 2 3 4. So this element of set and this element of set common, write only one times in set 1 2 and another element 3 comma 4. So A union B. Question number fourth. If A set element 1 2 3 4 and B set element 3 4 5 6 and C set of element 5 6 7 8 and also and D element set 7 8 9 10, then find first part of set A union B. So element of set A union B, so first element of set A 1 2 3 4 and union element of set B 3 4 5 6. So write element 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. So 3 4 and 3 4 both element of set. So write only one times in set this set. So you can find A union B. This is answer. And also we find A union C and third B union C and B A union C and fifth part. So A union B union C. So now let A union B above part find out the set. So A union B is equal to element of set 1 2 3 4 5 6 and union C, element of union C. So can write 5 6 7 8. So A union B union C is equal to element of set 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 and 5 6 both in set element. So you can only one times write 5 6 7 8. This is answer. That's all.
Yes, very good.
आंसर कितना हुआ?